On behalf of the Eugene Lang Entrepreneurship Center, welcome to Columbia Business School. The Lang Center, located in Uris Hall 317, is an active member of New York's ecosystem, supporting entrepreneurial activity for Columbia Business School students, alumni, and community partners. Our mission is to instill entrepreneurial thinking in all Columbia Business School students. We offer one of the most comprehensive and respected entrepreneurship programs in the world. Our program is structured to emphasize individual initiative and in identifying, valuing, and capturing of entrepreneurial opportunity. This video is designed to introduce the Lang Center and some of our programming that you, as a first-year student, can take advantage of. This video, along with our website, should answer your very basic questions about our offerings. Simply click on our website under the Student Navigation key on our homepage for more information. We'll now highlight a few things that you can do as early as your first semester and going on into your second year. The first is the Entrepreneurial Sounding Board. If you have an idea and are looking to speak to an advising expert about it, this program is for you. The Sounding Board provides you with the opportunity to meet with a variety of practitioners to talk about anything you want regarding your business. Your idea could be at any stage of development, and all sessions are confidential. To sign up for a 30-minute Sounding Board session, visit our website at www.gsb.columbia.edu/entrepreneurship. Click on the Students Navigation key on our homepage and look for the Sounding Board page. There you'll find a list of bios of those practitioners that have donated their time to Sounding Board at any given semester. Secure your session using our convenient online scheduling tool. It's that easy. Another opportunity is the annual Fall Venture Fair. The annual Fall Venture Fair is a great networking event allowing you the chance to pitch your business to a room full of faculty, alumni, investors, and industry experts. The Venture Fair is open to all first-year students, and in order for you to participate, you will be required to submit a 2 to 5 page executive summary of your idea. Visit our website for registration information and details. During the Venture Fair, you'll meet over 80 members of our community for high-energy networking and on-the-spot real-world feedback to help develop your venture. Moving into your spring semester, here are 2 competitions that may be of interest to you. The first is the Global Social Venture Competition. This competition is an innovative partnership between Haas School of Business, Columbia Business School, and other top business schools from around the world. The mission is to foster a new generation of business leaders that value the social as well as the profit potential of their business. For more information, visit www.gsvc.org, and also know that in the fall, we will have an information session to give you more information. The second is the annual Outrageous Business Plan Competition. The Outrageous competition encourages students to pitch their most innovative ideas in a very fun format, while learning firsthand what goes into the development and presentation of a solid business proposal. Students are required to record their pitches in an elevator and will compete for $15,000 in cash prizes. Now, once you have your business ready for potential seed funding, we have a portal that you can utilize. The Columbia Business School Idea Space is an exclusive portal open to a curated community of investors for viewing. Visit our website to access the portal, or visit the Angelsoft website listed here to post your concept. We would also like to encourage you to join the Columbia Entrepreneurs Organization. The CEO is one of the largest and most robust student clubs on campus. Visit their website at columbiaentrepreneurs.org for more information on membership and get to know your other student peers. And going into the second academic year, for the summer, we have the new Venture Track program. This program is designed to support students as they pursue the launch of their own venture over the summer. Students work on their concepts along with the support of a professional coach and their peers. An application process will be announced at the end of the spring semester. Once you get your core MBA classes completed, the business school has over 30 entrepreneurship classes for you to choose from. Here are 2 classes that you may want to plan to register for. The first is the Launching New Ventures class. This fall semester class will teach you brick by brick how to put your business plan together. By the end of the course, you will have a complete business plan and your investor pitch formulated. The second class is the Entrepreneurial Greenhouse program. The Greenhouse program is a spring term masterclass unique to Columbia. Second-year students will spend their last semester before graduation on pre-launch activities and preparing their businesses for investment. The program also offers funds to reimburse students for some of their startup costs. The competitive admissions process will take place in the late fall semester, so look out for announcements early in the fall term. We hope you found this video helpful. As you begin your exciting academic career, know we are here to support your entrepreneurial aspirations and look forward to serving you. Remember to visit our website, and don't forget to join us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. In addition to what you've seen here, we have many more programs and events that we encourage you to participate in. Visit our website again for dates and deadlines. If you have additional questions after viewing this video and visiting our website, please contact us to make an appointment with one of our program administrators. Or stop by during our open office hours, 12:30 to 2 p.m. Monday through Thursday. We look forward to meeting you.